Hey, welcome back. Today we are learning about classes and objects. This is one of the biggest concepts in programming. So what is a class? Think of a class as a blueprint. It describes what something is and what it can do. And an object is a specific thing built from that blueprint. Let's look at the code on screen. We have a class called dog. See that definite method at the top? That is a special method called the constructor. It runs automatically every time we create a new dog. It takes self, name, and breed as parameters. Self refers to the specific dog being created. We store the name and breed as attributes using self.name and self.breed. We also create an empty list called tricks. Now look at the methods below. Bark is a method that prints a message. Learn_trick adds a trick to the dogs list. Show_tricks prints all the tricks the dog knows. Methods are just functions that belong to a class. Now scroll down to where we actually use the class. We create two dogs. Buddy, a golden retriever. And Luna, a husky. Each one is its own independent object. When we call buddy.bark, only Buddy barks. When we teach Buddy to sit and shake, Luna does not learn those tricks. They are separate objects with their own data. That is the power of classes. You define the blueprint once, then create as many objects as you want. Look at the last line. We access buddy.name and buddy.breed with dot notation. That is how you read an object's attributes. Your challenge is this. Pause the video. Create a class called book with attributes title, author, and pages. Add a method called summary that prints all the book's info. Classes are the foundation of object-oriented programming. We will build on this in the next lesson. See you in lesson 5.